How to transfer money from Metamask to CashApp. So in order to transfer your money, you need to transfer your assets from Metamask to CashApp or a centralized exchange. And if you want to do that by moving your crypto. So if you have assets that in Metamask that you want to transfer, this is the way. So first thing you want to do before you start is verify the three things. So first is the region, which is supported by the CEX, and the asset you want to send is supported by the CEX, and the tokens network is supported by the CEX. And if any of these 3 points above are not true, then you will not be able to transfer it to cash out. So let's get started. So the first step you want to do is find your CEX public address and make sure this address is on the correct network. And if you want help for this, you can contact the CEX supports. The next thing you want to do is open MetaMask and then click the send button. So in the send button, enter the public address from the step 1 in that two fields, which is the cash app address. And then step 3 is select the correct asset. So enter the correct asset and enter the amount you want to send. And lastly is confirming the details. So confirm the details of the transactions, and after that, it is all done. Your assets should shortly appear in your Cash App account, and you can check the status of your transaction on the blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And that's how you can transfer money from MetaMask to Cash App.